एक्सट्रावेगेंजा। आज इस भव्य आयोजन फेस्टिवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट 2024 का दूसरा और आखिरी दिन है। इसीलिए मैं गीताश्री आप सभी को शुभ संध्या और शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ और फेस्टिवल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट 2024 कला, शिल्प, जातीय व्यंजन, स्वदेशी खेल, लोक संगीत और मनमोहक नृत्य पर्व के भव्य आयोजन में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। An eye-catching and colorful choreographic folk dance presentation with live music under the theme Colors of India was showcased, comprising 13 different ethnic tribes communities from 13 Indian states by 200 artists yesterday. Also, we will witness the same Colors of India, a choreographic presentation under the direction of Northeast Zone Cultural Center Director Dr. Prasanna Gogoi sir. So, to inaugurate our performances, I would like to request Honorable Pramod Bodoland, CEM, also Mr. Wilson Mazde, BM, EMBTC, Mr. Daubaisa Boro, EMBTC, Mr. Rerewa Narjari, EMBTC, Mr. Lawrence Islari, MLA East Kokrajhar, Mr. Madhav Chetri, MCLA BTC, Mr. Dithakananda Hajarika, Secretary BTC, Mrs. Pami Brahma, Joint Secretary, CAM CHG Cultural BTC, Mr. Bizitgiri Basumatari, General Secretary of Dularai Bodohari Afad, along with Director Dr. Prasanna Gogoi sir to come on the stage.
Live.
Now we want to felicitate our Honorable Minister of Handloom and Textile, Honorable Chief Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Region, Sri Pramod Boro sir. I request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi sir to felicitate him with a R9. Also, with a Naga traditional jacket for him. A Naga traditional tie, and a Boro Aranai for Honorable Sri Pramod Boro sir. Now, I request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Wilson Hasda, EM BTC. Now, I request Bizit Giri Basumatari to kindly felicitate Daugaisa Boro, Sir EMBTC. Now, I request Prasanna Sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Rewa Narjari, EMBTC. Now, I again request Mr. Bizit Giri Basumatari to kindly felicitate Mr. Lawrence Islari, MLA, East Kokrajhar. Now, I request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi Sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Madhav Chetri, MCLA, BTC. Now, I request Bizit Giri Basumatari to kindly felicitate Mr. Dithakananda Hazarika, Secretary, BTC. Moving on to, I request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi Sir to kindly felicitate Mrs. Pami Brahma, Joint Secretary, cum CHD Cultural, BTC. Now, I request Mr. Bizit Giri Basumatari to kindly felicitate the Director of NEZCC, also the recipient of Sangeet Natak Academy, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi Sir. Now, I request Honorable Sri Pramod Boro Sir to kindly lighten the lamp and inaugurate our Colors of India performance. I request all the music instruments to kindly play the music. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request sir to kindly give an inaugural speech to our artists and audience.
Festival of Northeast 2024, Colors of India. It's a wonderful initiative by the Directorate of Northeast Zone Cultural Center in Kokrajhar Cultural Complex. So first of all, I thank Director, our most respected and dearest person of the Northeast, who is taking leadership to exhibit all the hidden culture and colorful cultures of the Northeast zone and Northeast region. Prasanna Gogoiji, I thank him for this wonderful initiative and also his team. And I welcome all the cultural team coming from all the states of Northeast and also the other part of Northeast. We heard some groups are there that coming from different part of the country. Today we are very happy to have all of you here after a long time that we could not even imagine that this kind of very colorful program could be organized in Bodoland. It is happened because of only Prasanna Gogoiji. So I request you for big applause for him and the Bodoland the people of Bodoland are very happy with his initiative, and I pray to Almighty for his peaceful journey and successful journey in time ahead. So in Bodoland, as you know, there was uncertainty, some inconvenience for long decades, and we could not think of changing the situation and transforming Bodoland region like this. But with the grace and with the blessing of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, and also our most dynamic Chief Minister of Assam, this transformation coming in Bodoland, our organizations, our people as a whole, we wish, few years back, we wish that that kind of situation should prevail in Bodoland, where we can think and do something new and some different, and also something should happen which can connect our people with other people of the other regions. So today it is happening. We have organized some programs, some events of sports of national and international level. We have organized some programs in the educational institutions, and some different programs we are organizing in the Bodoland region. But culture, we discussed few months back only with our Prasannoda, and now it is happened. It is already happened in Bodoland. So we are very glad at this moment, and I hope the people, the dance group, our artists coming from different part of the country, they have, though they have faced some trouble, they have understood what Bodoland is, and our team and our members who are engaged in organizing this program and also performance, they have also learned many things from you. So this is the India. We have unity in diversity. We have rich culture in the country, and Northeast is, the unique. It's a home of different colorful cultures. So this is the moment to celebrate. I thank all of you once again from the BTR government and also people of BTR, and I request all of you once again that you come again to Bodoland. We will organize some other programs, from our side with the help of Northeast Zone and with the help of Ministry of Government of India. It is in our planning. So I request all the cultural groups and cultural team. It is the culture who connect the people. It is not only entertainment, it also connect the people. It also exhibit our identity and culture. So today it is a great moment that all culture are coming together to show their colors and their the talents, how they are preserving their culture, how they are protecting their culture, and how they want to present their culture to the people of the world. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving this opportunity. So जोबोद मोजां मोनदों बेवहाय बे हाबाफारिखौ लानायनि थाखाय, आरो इयुनाव आरोबाव मोजाङै लाबावनांगोन। मालायनि हारिमुखौ नायनायजों लोगोसे जोंनि हारिमुखौबो मालायनो जोङो दिन्थिनो हादों। दा बेबायदिनो जोंनि हारिमुवा मुलुगाव मुंदांखा जानो हागोन, बयजोंबो मिथिजानाय जानो हागोन। जाय बिथांमोना बे हाबाफारियाव जोबोद सिरियासलि खामानि मावगासिनो दङ, बिथांमोननो आं साबायखर बावदों। थेंक इउ भेरि माच। थेंक इउ।
Hello. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, sir, to give a speech.
Good evening to all of you. Honorable CM of Bodoland, Mr. Pramod Boru, other dignitaries on the dais here. Really, it's me honor. I feel honored here to be part of this celebrations. We all, the artist community, thankful to BTR government for giving us a platform here in Bodoland for the first time in Bodofa Cultural Complex. Along with the support of BTR government, we got support from Dularai Bodo Harimu Afad also. That is great. So the people the artists who are coming from different parts of India, different parts of our representing different zonal centers, they are so happy to see the traditional effect of Bodoland. So they are loading in our traditionally available material houses or like this one. The food, they are really like it, the food of Bodoland. Then even they enjoy this indigenous game. So everything we did it was the live telecast, live webcast. So at least the people from the world can access to the different traditional games of Bodoland. So we are taking everything, their memories, they will always keep in their memory that what we have got in Bodoland. So I think, so this is a great achievement for Ministry of Culture to do program here, and in coming days also we will try to have more programs, more such programs, along with the support and collaborative effort of our dynamic CM of Bodoland, it is Pramod Guru. We are just like brothers, okay. So we will do more. We will, under Ministry of Culture, we will do more things. We will do more ventures on culture. We got lots of scopes here to promote our own traditional, that is ethnic culture. That is the ethnicity is our identity. So we want to keep our identity intact with the identity of other communities of whole Northeast and even whole India also. So thank you for giving us a platform here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Manganang Minister Sir Yuji Bomasar Bitango, Josamolana Pinga Kola, Sopran, Naza Bitango. Are legacy Dollar of Jenny Borotula, Pani, Mangana Fagiri, Sorot Nazarisa, Bitango, Josam Pinga Kola.
Our Honorable Minister of Handloom and Textile, Government of Assam, Sri Kokrajhar Brahma has arrived among us. Also, I request Dr. Surat Narjari, President of Bodo Sahitya Sabha, to come on the stage.
Bingai Promoter, Retired Principal, Gop College, Kokrajhar, and legacy Mr. Raju Narjari, two people, General Secretary. Dani North Eastern Culture Center Nifrai, Dani Manganang, Dini Habafani Kahayala Sisa, or Kokrajhar Bitanko, Man Bogan, Marcus a traditional dressing, Manganang, Director, North Eastern Culture Center Nifrai.
The Director of Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, is felicitating Mr. Kokrajhar Brahma sir with a Naga traditional jacket. Also a Naga traditional tie. And they are online.
This one, Man Bona Kole away, Dani Borotole Apani Manganang Apagiri, Dr. Surat Nazari Sarko, Abhinaman Mount Bogan, and Mangana Director Sir, Dr. Prosuno Gogoi, Audison Culture Center, Inadani, Saito Sabani Manganang Apagiri Bitanko, Kasarnajam Mobile. Allegasa Man Bona Kolegan, Retired Principal, Kokrajhar Government College, Sir. Dr. Binoy Brahmo, Bitanko, Man Bonta, Mangan Director Sako Kolebe. Asumang Kolebe on the Sunday, ruling party, UPPL, General Secretary, Mangan Raju Nazari Bitanko, Man Bogan, Mangan Director Sir, Dr. Posona Gogai. Besok Gasibe, Mangana Alasibita Manko, Masilana the Kolebe, and Daddy Janagan, Kala Shopping, Habafariko, Nagata Kolebe, बिराद समायना रमायना जोंनि जायगायाव गिबि खेबनि थाखाय जानाय कालार्स अफ इन्डिया गासैबो जोंनि नर्थ इस्टार्न कालचार सेन्टारनि गासै 8 रायजोनि हारिमुआरि हान्जाजों लोगोसे आसामनि जोंनि नर्थ इस्टनि बाहेरानि इस्टार्न जन कालचार सेन्टार नर्थ सेन्ट्रेल जन कालचार सेन्टार नर्थ जन कालचार सेन्टार वेस्ट जन कालचार सेन्टार आरो साउथ सेन्ट्रेल जन कालचार सेन्टारनिफ्राय फैनाय हारिमु हान्जाफ्रा जथायै मोनसे कोरियोग्राफिक श' दिन्थिफुंगोन जायखौ कोरियोग्राफ खालामदों डिरेक्टर मानगोनां एनएसएससिनि डक्टर प्रफुल्ल गगৈ सार।
Now we will present before you all Colors of India, a choreographic dance presentation of folk dance with live music, which is directed and choreographed by Sangeet Natak Academy Awardee and Director of North East Zone Cultural Center, shortly NEZCC, Dimapur, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, and is assisted by Rajesh Baro, Anjoy Kachari, Rajan Baro, Rajiv Baro, and Dilip Hira. We will present before you all 13 different styles of dance, that is Mamita from the state of Tripura. Mamita dance is performed in the occasion of Mamita festival, which is harvest festival of Tripuri people. In the past, when Tripuri people were doing largely hook cultivation, the harvesting season was in the month of October and November. Cherao from the state of Mizoram. This dance form Mizoram has of late attained immense popularity due to its unique style. The dance involves men and women alike, as well as a stake of bamboos, which play the unique role of bringing all of them together in weird yet exhilarating display of harmony. Rove from the Union Territory of Kashmir. Rove dance is performed by the Kashmiri females on various occasions and festivities like harvesting, Eid, springs occasions, etc., in which women facing each other with a significant emphasis on intricate footwork. Tanim Year from the state of Nagaland. Tanim Year is a war dance of our community of Nagaland. During the era of our ancestors, our warriors beheaded the enemies and brought back their head as a trophies in a specially designated basket and performed a dance in the village by the warriors. Badhai from the state of Madhya Pradesh. Badhai folk dance is a folk dance performed on the happy occasions like birth of a son, marriage, and these festivals, etc. in Bundelkhand, Madhya Pradesh. This dance is performed to worship, thank, and to get blessings from Shitala Mata Devi. Paksi Do from the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Paksi Do is a war ritual dance and is performed by the Akka community in West Kamang district of Arunachal Pradesh. This dance is performed while a man had killed in the clash between two communities, or while a village is hunting a tiger or a leopard. They bring their body to the priest and perform ritual dance for 5 days. Folk from the state of Haryana. Folk dance is popular folk dance form of Haryana. This folk dance is performed by the agricultural community of Haryana in the month of February and March. Lai Harawa from the state of Manipur. Lai Harawa is the ritualistic dance form of Manipur, performed before the village shrine with singing, chanting, and dancing. This particular dance form enacts the legend of the creation of the world and incorporates the dances depicting the popular love epic of Khamba and Thoibi. Siddhi Dhamal from the state of Gujarat. The Siddhis migrated to India from Africa about 750 years ago. They settled in the coastal part of Gujarat. They follow Muslim religion and dance to the beat of drum on the evening of the Urs of their prophet Baba Gaur. Wangala from the state of Meghalaya. Wangala dance is the biggest festival of Garo community, synchronizing with the end of June cultivation, which lasts for several days. This is also a festival of dance of joy and thanksgiving to God. In this festival, young boys and damsels wear new looks. Singhi and Yakcham from the state of Sikkim. Singicham is a religious and recreational dance which brings to life the myth of the snow lion. Lion dance, popularly known as Singicham, comes under Bhutia folk dance and is performed during the worship of snowy range of Khamcheng as the guardian deity of the people of Sikkim by Guru Padmasambhava. Yakcham, this dance is traditionally performed by Sikkimese herdsmen. Yakcham depicts the long-standing love of people of the state for the yak. In the high mountains of Sikkim, the yak is man's best friend as it is the only means of his transportation, beside providing him with milk and meat for sustenance. Dausiri Delai from the state of Assam. The Dausiri Delai folk dance is one of the most significant and attractive art form of Bodo tribe. The meaning of the Dausiri is common, Maina Bad, and Delai means beautiful. Only the girls perform this dance during the occasion of marriage ceremony. Rasarkeli from the state of Odisha. Rasarkeli dance is a part of popular Sambalpuri Dalkhai folk dance. Raskeli means the love affair between Radha and Krishna. So let's enjoy Colors of India, a choreographic dance presentation of folk dance with live music, which is directed and choreographed by Sangeet Natak Academy Awadi and Director, Northeast Zone Cultural Center, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, and is assisted by Rajesh Baro, Anjoy Kasari, Prazen Baro, and Rajiv Baro, also Dilip Hira. of Tripura. Presenting before you all, Chero from the state of Mizoram.
Right,